Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Joyce Black, and I bring to you videos for the writer, maybe 35 and over, who have thought about writing a book for many years, or it could be a new idea. And the thing is, I have videos out here right now, but I'm not sure if you're enjoying this content. If you are enjoying the content, please do me a favor, leave me a comment, subscribe, or like the video so I'll know what else to bring to you. Tonight or today, I'm bringing um, an idea of what type of book will you write or create. And what I mean is the types of books I normally talk about are fiction or nonfiction. And basically, that's what most people think when they think of writing a book. But there are other books that you could actually put together and either sell or keep as a collection. And the first book I want to talk about is a poetry book. We have some people that love to write poems and they do spoken word, and they have a collection of their works or other people's works or things that they're working on. And others have asked them about their poems, and do you have this in a book? That's a great idea for a book. Having a book of poems that you can actually have on display or you can actually sell them. So that's one type of book that few people write. It takes a while to organize it because they're all your poems, but if you have them in a collection on your phone, get it done. It could be a legacy you leave for your children, your spouse, whoever, but a book of poems can go a long way. People love poems that go listen to a spoken word. So, just an idea for you to think about. That's one type of book. Another book that people work on around the holidays, but if they think of doing it now, it would be great. And that is a nice recipe book. Whether it's Cajun recipes, Creole recipes, or Italian recipes, or soul food recipes that are in your family, it will be great if you have them, or talk to some family members, have them provide you with recipes that you can put in the book for your family. It could be Johnson's Family Recipes. And no matter how many children come later, they would have that book that, because I mean, recipes get lost over time if they're not written down. And if you didn't actually work with a parent or a grandparent or an aunt to make a cake, banana pudding, or greens, chicken, whatever, ravioli, lasagna. Those are just ideas of family recipes that get lost, and the next generation has no idea how to prepare them. So, a cookbook, a family cookbook. Another thing, Christmas or holiday. It could be whatever holiday you celebrate in your family. It could be Thanksgiving recipes or holiday recipes or holiday desserts. Some people would bring holiday desserts to work and they were delicious. And you wonder, how do they make these all the time? That's a great idea for a book. If they don't mind sharing a recipe, they can have a book of recipes that they could sell where others can start bringing in desserts. So just wanted to And also another book that can be not written but created, DIY, like how to paint correctly, how to wallpaper, how to drywall. There are things that I have no clue about, like drywall or wallpaper, or even tile correctly. Peel and stick, I don't think that really counts, but like ceramic or whatever other type of tile you want to lay. That would be a great idea if you personally do this, shortcuts or the easy way. Have it in a book, DIY. How to build a bench, how to build a doghouse. I mean, it could be a lot of different things that people are searching for that you have the knowledge to put in a book that could change the things they do in their lives. So just wanted to bring a few ideas of books and let you know if you like this. Please comment if you want to hear more ideas or just how to do something differently with a book. Leave me a comment, subscribe, and I'll get back to you. You guys have a great day. Again, this is Joyce Black, and I will see you all on the next video. Goodbye.